The massive army drifted helplessly in the deep cold, their engines dark, their weapons...
Emergency. Structural failure imminent. All personnel report to evacuation bays.
Override the safety, now!
It's rejecting the command. The system is locked. Override the sequence now, Lieutenant. I need diagnostics immediately.
They knew we were coming! Fire everything we have!
It's overriding the Xenolattice. How is this possible? Reroute the core defense now.
If we do not mobilize the fleet now, Xylar will fall within the cycle!
And if we do, with the entire neutral zone?
We have reached a decision. Let the engineer approach the council.
Multi-tool diagnostics clear. All systems nominal. Moving to the power couplings.
Command, this is Odyssey. The fleet is massive. Scale is unprecedented. Requesting immediate backup.
Mission log, stellar date 4598. We are approaching the target. The scale is unprecedented. I repeat, the scale is overwhelming.
The cycle is complete. The ascent begins now.
I am the one you want. Let my crew go, and I will surrender.
Command, I've reached the core chamber. The energy source is immense and unstable. I'm moving in to assess the data stream now.
Critical instability detected. Core breach in T-minus 90 seconds. All personnel must evacuate.
Do not touch the core. It is sacred and highly unstable. Your interference could destroy us all!
I'm engaging the bypass. The energy spike is critical. Stabilize. It's working. The core is responding.
It's breaking the loop. Reroute the alpha stream. We have to isolate the xenocode before it corrupts the system.
Visual contrast of rigid alien code collapsing, while flexible human algorithms flow smoothly. Your efficiency is noted, engineer. The stabilization matrix is holding. We are prepared for the next phase.
After the long conflict, they rise again. Our glorious dead reborn. The fleet is whole once more.
Go well, travelers. Your journey honors us all.
Formation locked. All ships, synchronize power flow. The time of ascension is upon us. Hyperspace drive engaged. Countdown complete. Execute jump synchronization. Awaken, my fleet. The hour of the wolf is upon us. For Earth.
And so it begins. The engines of the Harvester fleet ignite, signaling the end of an era.
And that should do it. Solid as new, maybe even better. I'm really pleased with how that turned out.
Rerouting power conduits now. Levels are stabilizing. We are back online.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Everything we've worked for, everything we feared. Goodbye, my friends. The quantum core is fully stabilized. We did it!
The chain reaction is complete. All vessels, power to weapons. The reckoning begins.
All ships, prepare for the jump. Initiate hyperspace sequence now.
After centuries of searching, We found it.